Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking smart charger hub. It is done by a company called ACEFAST, and this is their smart PD charging hub, and it is maximum of 65 watts. This is not only going to charge your phone or tablet, it is also going to connect your phone to a TV. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. Now it comes with this user manual, or it's called Quick Start Guide. And once you open it, you can see that it is already jam-packed with a lot of information. And also, if you look really closely, it talks about the input and also output, which we will cover in this video. And I've said about it, let's put this away. It also comes with this cable, which is really nicely threaded, and that way you cannot really bend it that much, so you're not going to break it. But it is USB Type-C, and they have their name on it really nicely. It is USB Type-C on both sides, so this way you can get a really good connection, and that way you can charge your phone or tablet very, very fast and quickly. And you can see that there is a little Velcro that they put with it with their name on it, which is really cool. And this way you can put your cable together and put it in your purse, or in this case in your bag, so that way it's all going to be in one piece. Now it also comes with this brick. Now this is everything. So yes, there is a little plastic around, so that way it does not get scratched. But once we open it, or you can just slide it out, really nicely done. Here is the name written right on top. It's really nice the way that they have designed it. Now if we go around it, it doesn't have much information, but it's really nicely written everything on it. So let's go from the back. So here you go. On this side you have a USB Type-C connection, and then it says power, and you also have a little lightning logo right in the middle, and then it says 65 watt. Right underneath of that you have the USB 3.0 connection. Then it does indicate that there's a HDMI, but it says 4K HD underneath of it, and there's a little design that I really like right at the bottom of it. Now that's not the only thing. If you go on one side, you have some information over here that will tell you more about this power brick itself. And then when you go on the other side, it has their name. But once you go and flip it on the other side, it also have another little logo, which is really cool. But here you go. This is created for Canada and United States. You just have to open it up, and now you can plug it to the wall. And this way, if you put it inside of your bag, you're not going to damage this part. You just have to flip it and it will close. And that's about it. Very nice and easy. And let's go through and give it a shot and test it out to see how good this is. So since we're going to test it, we're going to test the actual wire that came with it. So let's go ahead and open it. That's long enough for me. All right, so now we're going to connect this. The only thing I have to mention is, since it's going to be pointing upward, I cannot get that much of the screen. So let's see how we can manage to get that part showing. So first we will connect the phone to show you exactly how good the charging port is. So there you go, now it's connected. But now when we connect it to our phone, it shows up right away that it is charging. Now I know that I already placed this on a charge, and I know it charges very, very fast. But right now when you're trying to look, it should tell you in the bottom that it takes about another 6 minutes to charge this fully. This is beautiful. Now, that's not the only thing. We're going to test that out anyways for the 6 minutes, and then we're going to show you exactly how good this was and how fast it really took for them to charge it fully. You can see that it changes really fast. Now it says 5 minutes, and we have already been there for less than a minute. We're just talking and we're checking it out. Now it changed to 4 minutes to charge it up to a full 100%. Now it says 3 minutes. So this is how fast it goes through to charge it up into that minute. Again, remember that it has to turn off and on in order for me to see the minutes showing in the bottom. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is very handy for me right now to use. So that's why I am playing with it. And this way I can show you how fast it goes through to charge it up. Beautiful part. Now, that's not the only thing. Remember that it has more functions on this, and I'm going to show you what. Did you see that? It changed to 2 minutes. So again, this is less than a minute. It's already into 99% from 97%. So it charges very, very quickly. And it is the best thing to see that if you do run out of charge, how fast your phone, there you go, now it's 1 minute that it charges for you to get the 100%, which is going to be in a few more seconds. It should be going into the 100%. That's what we are waiting for. So it is just less than a minute, and it says that it is charging. So maybe that's the only thing that right now it is just waiting, is to show us, okay, this is going to be 100%. Just waiting for it. It's less than a minute. So again, it works perfectly. It is charging very, very fast. I really like that. That's why this is standing out. It's a 65 watt. So yes, it will go through, but it will get you the charge you really looking for very quickly. So it's almost done. We're just going to give it a couple of seconds, and then we're going to take it to another. And here you go. It's 100%. Now we have this monitor that we're going to use for this video, and it is a USB Type-C, and it requires for it to be charged. Now, since the best part is that this brick do support a USB. I know it's USB 3.0, but we can connect it. So that way also the screen that we have also going to get a charge from the same docking station. And right now it just showed up that it says no signal. That is understandable. Now we're going to grab our HDMI cable, which we already have. And that HDMI cable is connected right now to the side of the screen. And you can see the wire just comes up to my hand. And there you go. And now the HDMI wire, we're going to connect it to the power brick. There you go. Now we're going to grab our phone. And it already knows that the screen is locked. So let's go through, click on it. And now it give us a little screen just like the TV. It says that to start. And now our DeX just starts. So press the OK button. And now we have a full screen for our phone, so that way we can play with it. And there you go. Now it is giving us a full access, just like a touchpad. So we can play with it. And now you can see that the mouse works perfectly on the screen. And also, if you want to go with a volume up or volume down, your volume shows up really nicely on the side. You see that? So that is a perfect thing. Now, if you want to go ahead and open up apps, click on it. All the apps will open. So this is a really cool thing to play with, that when you are having this type of power brick, it works perfect. You do not have to get anything extra. Yes, it has the USB Type-C connection, so that way you can put it to your phone so you can charge fast. Plus, you can also charge up or turn another device to this, so you can also charge, or you can turn on your monitor in this case, and you also have an HDMI out. So that way you can use your phone as your computer, and you can play around, and you can see right now the mouse is moving everywhere. So that way you can use it a lot better, and you do not have to worry about screwing this up or that. And also your phone is going to be on a charge, plus your power brick works perfectly. Now this is our take on this power brick. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xedex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.